Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the video about these Airdots. So I'm going to unbox these Airdots. These are the Redmi Airdots Pro, the plus version of these devices. So these are the rarest version available, so I like it very much. So guys, as you can see, the packaging is very beautiful. So there are some of the features mentioned here. So Redmi Airdots Plus, Redmi Airdots Pro. So these are the Pro variant, and these are the Plus variant of the Redmi Airdots Pro. Okay, so Bluetooth 5.0, and there are some specifications. So as you can see, wireless version 5.0, 10 nm operating distance, so transmitting power class to 2.4 gigahertz, and as you can see, you can pause and check these descriptions. So I think I bought it in black. I really like in black. So let's unbox these. So true earphones. So guys, as you can see, these are the earphones. So very premium looking. So let's put it aside and see what's in this box. So here is the user manual. So user manual 206. So here are some things mentioned. And what's in the box. So guys, these are some tips. You can use it as your ear. So let's see. Okay, so you can, so here is the, as you can see, this is the magnet right here. So as you can see, so these are the amazing headphones, as you can see. So there is no button, so let me peel this off. So guys, as you can see, they are looking very premium, and the quality is good. I can say not very excellent but good. So they cost me about $50, I guess. So I will get back to you after reading its sound quality. So guys, after playing around for a bit, I think these are really amazing. So in these price tag, I think these are pretty amazing. So let's come back to the sound quality. The sound quality is very amazing. So the thing is that these are little bit thinner than I thought, but the bass is not very good. So bass is like average, and the sound quality is very amazing. These are very sharp, clean and stable sound. So the quality of these headphones are very amazing. So these earbuds can actually go into your ears very amazingly. As you can see, these are lightweight, and the lightweight can go easily in your ears. So the battery time, let's come to the battery time. Battery time is 4 to 5 hours playback time in 70% volume. So I think these are pretty amazing for the sound and the battery timing. Battery timings is okay and very good. So I think you should definitely buy if you are going for like $30. So which cost me about 5,000 rupees in my currency, $30 to $35. So I think you should definitely consider these. So these are very rare, and these I think are pretty amazing. So you should consider these, and also consider subscribing to my channel. And thank you for watching my videos, and peace out.